Alright, so I've seen a couple well, I've seen one. I gotta go check out all the other small turning videos. Custom Chris did pencil lead, so I'm gonna do a mechanical pencil lead, or try. The best way I can figure out how to hold this in is to drill a tiny hole and use some hot glue. Alright, so change of plan. I got a hole drilled in the little faceplate from the bowl the other day. I believe that was a 5/16. Stuck the pencil all the way through. And now we get to see. Had to take a break to clean my glasses and find, or go look at that cool super blue moon type eclipse. I could do this if I could see it. Come on now. Easy does it. I just hit my head on the chuck. I'm glad it was smooth. By golly, I think that's got it. It's not a goblet, but it's a skinny vase. There we go. Tiny turning. You can't see the round part though. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.